Step 1. Unplug unit. Remove the 6 532 screws with an Allen wrench, holding the finger guard. Using a 7/16 socket, remove the 4 screws holding the atomizer into the hub. Pull atomizer from hub. Disconnect atomizer feed tubing. Disconnect the atomizer power connection using care by unlocking the connection and pulling apart by the connector and not the wires. Pull atomizer from drain tubing. Using care, reach inside of head and remove the 8 screws holding the fan guard with 532 Allen wrench. Push out old fan guard. Make sure fan guard edge stays in place. Using a 532 Allen wrench, remove the 3 screws holding the impeller to fan motor. Cut the 3 wires for fan motor power. Remove the 4 screws that hold the fan motor into the fan motor bracket. Pull out old fan motor with care. Install new fan motor with the wires hanging from the back of hub back into fan motor bracket. Reconnect the 3 wires using heat shrink butt connectors. Ensure key is present on motor shaft. Install fan motor back into fan motor bracket with the 4 screws using red Loctite. Place impeller bushing onto motor shaft, ensuring the key is flush with the shaft and bushing. Using 3 stainless steel torque screws, attach fan impeller to the bushing, aligning the non-threaded holes of the impeller to the threaded holes of the bushing. Using a 532 Allen key, tighten torque screws to impeller. Alternate screws as you tighten. Repair complete.